morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Steam Boss video. Today we got an all-inclusive video today. We got some carpet, tile, and a really bad shower. I can't wait to show you guys this. This is gonna be an awesome transformation. We are gonna take you guys along with us today and come inside and let me show you what we got. We are starting the day off strong today with a long hose run, but that is a-okay. We got Steve today, there he is.
Welcome back to the channel. Did you already say that?
I did.
Okay, well.
Yep. I'm just gonna give him a kind of a little tour of what we're doing today. So let's head up the stairs. We have some pretty badly worn out carpet here. They are actually moving out and they want the place to look as good as they can. We got one bedroom here, one bedroom here, and we did address the ripples with them. They decided they're trying to be as cost effective as possible, and they are pretty sure that the next owners are going to do something differently with this carpet, so they opted to not fix the ripples. But look at this, you guys. We're gonna work on this bad boy. You can kind of see where Steve was rubbing his fingers. This is really bad. Hold on. Okay, so you can see the soap scum on the actual tile. She said she tried to use all of the products that she bought at Target, like soap scum remover, vinegar, bleach, all of the things, and this is what came out of it. It's still caked on there. Glass is just, you can't even see through it. So we're gonna work on this today. It's gonna be a task, but we're gonna take you guys along and can't wait to show you the after. First rinse.
Okay, now that all the soap scum is removed, notice we still have, it's very hard to see this. You can kind of see it there. We still have all those hard water stains still on there, which is the very difficult part to remove, so that's what we're going to work on next. Done. We still have to squeegee it off here and glass cleaner, but it's going to look way better. We'll show you guys at the very end. Now we're hitting this bathroom floor. Check this out. So all that soil that we've suspended now with our product, blast it away. is what I call clean. Alright. So that, not too shabby. Alright, so Becky's just giving that all a wipe down there. Wow, that looks so much better already. I can't wait to show you guys the end product of that. So we have this here. I think Becky already addressed all of these carpet ripples. We offered to get rid of them for her, but they are moving out of this home. And the carpet is fairly trashed. It's pretty old and worn. We're just doing this to give it a good freshen up and make it smell nice in here. But we could have gotten rid of those, but they opted not to, which is okay. We're here to make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck for the services that are going to make a difference, especially if you're moving out. So in here, same thing. Carpet smells good. Looks good, but you still got those pesky ripples. Same thing in here. So we got to knock out the rest of this. See this bathroom here. The lighting in here is kind of weird, but yeah, you can see all that soil. And besides that, we really just have this set of stairs here. Looking pretty good.
A few moments later.
So we're done with the glass. Let's check it out. And there you go. So, really, really good. Got all those hard water deposit stains. It actually looks like a pane of glass now. So she's gonna be really happy with that. And these floors turned out so good. These honestly look like they were just color sealed, but they weren't. They were just so dirty that they turned out so nice. So really brightened up this bathroom a lot. Really good selling feature to houses is always the shower and the master bath area, so it's important that it looks good. Stairs a little bit, and that's it. Alright, so unfortunately, you see how the ripples, look how loose this carpet is. Just me pushing it with the wand. Yeah, really, really loose, so yeah, I wouldn't bother stretching it. It's too creased anyway. Yeah. The tops are creased over. Even if we stretch that out, you're still probably going to see it, so not a good use of money. Hey, but the shower was. That turned out really good.
Yeah.
Blast them. Becky loves doing stairs.
Low stairs.
Yeah, nobody likes doing stairs. Stairs are not fun. They're more work, and that's why they are more expensive. Usually if a service is more expensive, it's because it's more work. So if somebody wants to do your shower and they give you a high price, well, it's a lot of work. Showers are a lot of work that can take hours and hours and hours. So anything that's really difficult, you always gotta charge more for, unfortunately. All right, everybody, we're all done at this job. Everything turned out really good. Well, as good as the carpet was gonna turn out anyway. Carpet was pretty rough shape, but hey, the tile turned out really good and the glass turned out really good. Still got that drying there. This is looking good here. And we got this drying over here, which is looking really, really nice. Honestly, not sure if we're gonna end the video here or we're gonna continue on from here, but we'll see.